Hi everyone, welcome to Flavors. Today I am sharing the recipe of egg biryani. Let's quickly first look at the ingredients. With this bowl I have taken 3 cups of washed basmati rice, you don't need to soak it, and 1 crushed cardamom and 2 bay leaves. I have 6 perfectly boiled eggs, sliced onions for making the fried onions. For the masala I have taken some sliced onions, some chopped onions, chopped ginger garlic, some green chilies, and for the masala I have taken salt, very little turmeric powder, some mint powder and biryani masala. I'll start by boiling the rice first in a pressure cooker. Since I am making layered biryani, so you don't need to measure the quantity of water. Till the water comes to a boil, I have taken a kadhai. Since I am making a layered biryani, I have taken 4 times the amount of rice. Let the water come to a boil for boiling the rice. In the meantime, taking 1 spoon of oil, let it heat well. Adding very little salt to the hot oil, little turmeric powder and some red chili powder. Just lightly prick the eggs so that all the masalas go inside. Make sure to turn the eggs so that they are evenly fried from all the sides. We have to just fry them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and remove the eggs in a plate. In the same kadhai, adding some more oil. Once the oil is hot, adding cumin seeds. Adding crushed ginger garlic. After 30 seconds, adding chopped onions, also the sliced onions. Saute them well. Once the water has come to a boil, adding enough salt, 1 crushed cardamom, 2 bay leaves, some cumin seeds. Now adding washed rice. Boil the rice on high flame for 8 minutes. We don't have to completely cook the rice. We'll cook till about 80% done. Once the onions have fried well, adding salt, turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Adding mint powder. And finally, biryani masala. Mix it well. Add little water so that the spices don't get burnt. Adding 1 bowl of beaten curd. While adding curd, continuously stir it. Remember to keep the flame on low. We have to wait till the oil starts separating. The oil has started coming on the sides, so the masala is roasted quite well. Lower the flame. Add little more water. After 8 minutes, switch off the flame for rice and drain them. After adding water to the masala, let it simmer on low flame for around 10 minutes. In the meantime, adding oil to the pressure cooker for frying the onions. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onion. Keep mixing the onions so that they are evenly brown but they don't burn. The masala looks completely ready since oil is floating on the top. At this stage, check for salt. Absolutely perfect. Now switch off the flame and add the boiled eggs in this masala. Once the onions have fried well, switch off the flame and immediately remove them in a plate to stop further cooking. Moving to the final step, in another pressure cooker, take very little ghee, let it heat well. Now adding the first layer, spread little rice, put some fried onions, then goes the masala, adding another layer of rice. Adding some more masala, some fried onions, another layer of rice, now adding the eggs, some more masala, fried onions. Now goes the last layer of rice. Spread it evenly. Adding the remaining masala. adding fried onions. Now adding little water left from the drained rice. Finally adding the milk in which I had soaked some saffron strands. And of course adding some ghee. Now cover it with a plate and leave it on the lowest flame for around 10 minutes. I forgot to add the slit green chilies. Now cover it and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. It's ready to serve. Super delicious egg biryani is ready. Do try this recipe, and if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.